Right, hello everyone. Hello. As you might be tell by the title, today we're doing something very differently. And I'm quite fucking late. That's fine. I'm quite late. Today I'm gonna be trying to finish my website that I'm waiting for my, well, not really study, this is more just show stuff up. And where I left off today, it kinda worked, kinda didn't. It did work on just the actual program itself, but it refused to damn run on anything else. Anything I threw at it that wasn't the local host, it just didn't work. So first things first, we're gonna be figuring out how to fix that. Then we're gonna be figuring out how to get the rest of the stuff I want done. Which is honestly not what I was expecting to do today, but here we are. Mostly because they just haven't found anything else to do in the meantime, so. So I hope I'll be able to actually do some stuff. It's gonna be kind of strange. It'll be interesting today. It'll be very interesting because I don't know how really I'm gonna get stuff entertainingly done in a way that you guys can find interesting. That is already going to be quite interesting to actually find out if I can even do that. I have done a stream like this before, so hopefully I am not going to be actually shit. But hey, you never know how shit you're going to be until you do something. Let's find the hell out. Right. So, right now what's happening, I don't know if the terminal, is it still launched? Okay, yeah, so. Last published build has a few issues. One, I can't get to these pages. For some reason, these pages from Project just don't want to connect, which is really quite annoying if it doesn't want to connect, because that means I can't get to the pages. Why not? I'm unsure of what's causing it, because it's just a very simple href. But shit, are you returning them at the end? What do you mean returning them at the end? Also, hi. It's just a simple href. Like, this is what I'm... This is what I'm kind of confused about, because... It should be able to do this, right? Or am I just being a dumbass? And am I just doing it completely wrong? To the point where it will never work. So honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if that is the case. I don't know how well you can actually see it. I'm hoping it's good enough. Otherwise, just tell me and I'll make the thing bigger. Not getting an answer. I think he's typing. No, but shouldn't this technically do it? Like, the thing I'm confused about, it does work in the local host, but that also might just be because it's the local host, because the behavior is not one-to-one, so it just might just not work in a published version. Which, fair enough if that is the case, then I'll have to make a way around. I'll just have to make a method somewhere in here, a constant or a use state that activates depending on a certain thing, which I can do that too. And then I can use navigate too, which would 100% of the time work, I think, hopefully. But this should also work, shouldn't it? Honestly, I do think the easiest thing at this point is just to refactor this and have a thing here. A button here that then sets something, and once it's set, it then navigates to a certain thing. I feel like that's going to be the easiest thing I can do at this stage. Speaking of doing something, I need to open... Where is it? This one? No. I have my old project open. I'll be using that as references because I usually have quite forgetfulness the way I do things. I mean, what I can do is just make this a button. Use that button to set something to true or something like that. And then go through the method. Check which one has been set to true. Set it back to false and execute a navigate to. I could do that as well. The problem is that navigate to doesn't really want to work sometimes. At least not in the way that this should just work though. I don't get why it doesn't. I don't get why this doesn't work. Alright, that's what I have, yes. Let's see. Oh, interesting. This is saying to do the try to do this, but this is saying to do that. But the problem was the problem is never that it doesn't redirect, because it does. It does redirect. The only thing it I'm gonna use another one here. It does redirect though. That is the weirdest thing about this. It does redirect. Because... and the page just doesn't exist, yeah. Which is really weird. Which is really weird, because if I go back... that's the wrong one. If I go back to here, here's the page, and here's the abject reference. There are references in it. They have the routes. Check web. Well, the web console just says legit just says does not exist. That's the thing. Like if I go to the console, it just says resource server responded with status of 404, so it doesn't find the page. It says the page doesn't exist. It can't find it. Which makes absolutely no fucking sense. It doesn't make sense that it can't find it. Might be on the hosting end. Really? Can I try any kind of different hosting? Because I don't know if there's any free hosting I could use besides GitHub. I'm gonna go see. Free hosting for React app. Pay moolah. I'm not paying moolah though. Page free. Oh, we do have some. There is some cold hard cash. We're not using cold hard cash. I'm not paying moolah. I mean, wait, doesn't Fontes still have their thing? Couldn't I publish it to that? Would it know? I'm guessing you pay for stuff? You pay for you to have your website up, right? You pay to have that up, right? I'm assuming so. I don't have one yet, but I will once I do. Okay, you will just pay for it, I see. I already have that. I just want to deploy it. Can I just deploy this at a possibility? Can I just deploy it? Okay, I'm just gonna put this on this screen. Can I just, okay, we have create, convert that, integrate that. But get started for free. How do I just deploy it? Oh, I have to sign up with GitHub, yes. Yes. I just wish that, no. How are you applying to school? Personal, student. What's the name of your team? There isn't one. Or no. Here to deploy. Okay. Deploy first project. Well, I have that, so let's use that. Is it gonna be annoying? It's going to be annoying. That one. Only selected. That one. Let's see if it deploys. Deploy settings. Oh, it's actually doing stuff. Maybe this will actually deploy it. I mean, hey, if this actually deploys it, I'd be very happy. Because then the only issue we then have to fix is some of the, oh no. Uh-oh. What's going wrong? What's going wrong? Oh, it might be, is it the Johnson file that I had to add in order to get it running on? No config file. Config file is defined using default values, production. Okay, npm run build. Treating warnings as errors because it is true. We set it automatically. Failed to compile. Okay, so landing page has an issue apparently. You're complaining about this. Okay, he complained about that. What else are you complaining about? Project has redundant alt attributes. This image there, as an image you don't need to use words image, photo, or picture. afterwards in the alt prop. That shouldn't matter, really. There's no way that matters. Exit code 1. What does this mean? What does that even mean, though? Yarn, I don't have yarn. Yarn. I don't have yarn. Install build stamina build should turn non-zero exit code failing build. Thanks for reaching out. You can elaborate on the issue. Hey, I just experienced it today, but my period on Mars. Really shame. Back to Johnson, nothing changed. One thing I can think of is that it's a Johnson file, and if it's the Johnson file, then I gotta go here and I gotta delete some stuff. I need to first of all got these. I'm gonna picture put them in a notepad in case I'm going to go back to GitHub pages. I delete that, and we gotta delete this one. That's the only things I changed about the JSON file, so let's hope. Let's hope that is it. Build, please. Alright, let's hope with that. Can I make it retry again? Retry. There's branch commit. Let's see if it now is able to build. Because it might have been that. Failed to compile. Okay, what now? Is it that again? This is really just... What does this even mean? Blech. You're not going to tell me that it's because of these. You're not going to tell me it's because of these. That is... If it is though, that is stupid. I don't have alts. There's nothing wrong with the backlinks to Johnson though. Why doesn't it npm run build? I haven't changed anything about the Johnson file than these things. Or a node log or whatever. There's no node log, there's only this one. Which has quite a lot of stuff. Right. I think that's the Johns. That's both of these, isn't it? That should be both of these. That should be one of these. That should be this. The React scripts build, React scripts start. That should be these. Those should be the ones doing that. Because it reads this, if you do npm install, it does read this and this to install everything it needs. So it does have it, I think. It should be these two. It doesn't run. It needs run. Ah. Not build. Well. What do I put there then, entirely? I'm assuming that. I'm assuming I need that one then. I put that one in for the GitHub pages. Run build, npm rx scripts build, okay. So that should then be run build instead of build. Make a new one. I'll make a new one then. Or build. Right. See if that works then. Come over here. These are warnings. I don't care about these. Alright, let's see if it's able to do it now. We try. Let's see. Build to compile. And build command from Netafly. Run npm build. What? Build command failed. Yeah, it failed again. Nope, then I don't know. I don't blame you for not knowing. I really don't. The only other thing I could try is doing a... No, because I have it pre-deployed. I already have that one in there. Oh. We have that one in there. We have run build. That one. Actually, I didn't. Oh, let's do... No, we have that one. We'll make it... Oh, we'll change this one to npm run build as npm run. Let's see, because that's the one that can... Maybe that. Maybe that'll help. That's what it's struggling with. It's gonna be a lot of trial and error to get this to run. I might just switch to Fontus's version, because I know that one will work. I think. So I have no idea. Oh, I don't remember how to actually publish the React files. They're just the same as the other ones. You just need a lot more stuff. Oh no, I did it in Docker. Oh fuck. I don't want to do it in Docker. Let's see if it's able to run now. Oh no, it actually does its own command. npm run build. So we didn't need to do any of that. It just it's its own thing. Yeah, no, its own thing just can't. Its own thing fails. Look here, its own thing fails. It's its own command that's failing. It's not something that we're missing. It just its own command can't run. Okay, well that's even more annoying. Cause you didn't even give me like you're telling me that, and then like you give me this, and just there's nothing here that really gives me. I don't even know what is going wrong. You don't even give me this error code, and you're telling me go look up yourself, you piece of shit. See. Well, same here. Anyone on fixing? No one knows. Ah, great. So there might not be anything they can do against it. I think I can change in the build settings then maybe. Let's use. Keep doing that. That's not a branch I have. All of it failed. Okay, how do I retry it? I was doing it at main again. God damn it, no, cancel. I want you to do it at the other one. How did I make it do it? I told you to do the other one, didn't I? At least the other branches I have. Right, okay. So use it. Oh, production map deploys branch. No edit setting. Let's see if we can do that. Oh, I just didn't. Yeah, I did. Let's see. Boys. No, it's still doing it at main. What the f— Oh no, it's gonna break again. God damn it. I've never deployed a React. We have actually never deployed the React thing. I should just realize we have never deployed it. We've used Docker to deploy it. We've actually never fully deployed a React thing. That's cool. Oh, that's goody. If only I knew what was going wrong. Oh, let's use a different one. This is clearly not working. Gonna be so many things I need to add to this thing just to test it. Oh fuck. God, no. Fuck you. I said, no, what? I told you to do that one, didn't I? That one. Yeah, that's not gonna be it either, is it? No. So GitHub pages really is my best shot. It's 71% JavaScript. Okay, great. Hmm. Which means I'm gonna need to change the way that I do my redirections probably. Which means I should probably use navigate too, since I know those work. Problem is, you need the actual buttons for them. Because you can't just activate them like with a href. Because of course it wouldn't be that easy. At least not the ones that I've used before. I don't know if you know any that you can use like that, like an actual href, like this. I don't think there's a navigate to that works like this. I doubt it. So I'm gonna make a button. I'm gonna see if we can get it working like that. Alright. I'm gonna make a. I need to do it out of or inside the. I need to do it inside the function. Outside the return. Right. Do a constant. Not with a big C constant. And not submit. Right. Now I need to give this thing something to do while it's in here. If I don't, it'll. I need to make it change the value so that we know which ones we're dealing with. How am I gonna make it do that? I'm like, why are you actually? Why were you not accepting this? And now you are again. Okay, good. How am I gonna make it do that? Actually, I'm just gonna make different ones. Handle submit for this is what. This is must do. So send to. Yep, send to. And I'm actually gonna do a return. Navigate. This is a very stupid way of doing this. Absolutely. But I know this way to work. So let's find out if I'm correct, if this will work or not. npm start. Now, if it won't work in the local, it won't work anywhere. So we're going to try our luck with the local. Then change the package to Johnson again. Link it back to GitHub pages. See if it works. There. And then once that's working, we're going to have to do a lot of different stuff. A lot of spelling mistakes I have to fix. And then a lot of other small things like with CSS, some are small things, and then hopefully we'll have this done by the end of today. It's open on this browser. That's kind of annoying. Just grab it right here. It is taking a very long time to load, probably because of how many projects I have open. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if that was the case. Like, there's a lot of projects open on this. Oh god, did not mean to open Spotify. There's a lot of projects open at the moment. Probably think I should. Oh, actually, hold up. It just loaded. Okay, good. Projects. Okay, wait, hold up. Click to learn more. What? Uh, I, 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 huh? Oh, but again. Okay, it's not working. See what's happening. Oh, what is happening? Nothing actually. Not creating any new errors. So it's just doing nothing. Why is the navigate 2 not working? What the? It should be changing the URL, but hmm. Okay, well. I don't know why this isn't, to be quite honest. So it does go in. Okay, so it does go in. Like these work. These work here fine. Now this one isn't working. Why is this one not working? What in the actual fuck? Why is navigate 2 not working? What the fuck? Like it's no different than this, right? Like am I going mad? Any different to that? Unexecutable code? I know, that's the whole point. No. The exact same. Okay. Then why isn't this working? The only thing I can think of is that it's not working because the button isn't actually doing it. No, wait, the button is doing it. What the fuck? Why isn't it not? Okay, hold. The only thing I can do is make this a form. This entire thing, that everything that's inside of it is make a form. Form. Everything inside this form. Okay, I did not mean to take away the H1. I just meant to take away the form. Above. Put it down. What? This is not the big header. No, it's not the big header. Damn it. Go here. Right. This div. I did not make to make. I did not mean to make a for each loop there. What are you complaining about now? It's inside the second. The second one does not end here, is it? Oh no, wait, it does. No, it totally does. I'm just being more. I'm just being a moron. There we go. Set that form. I should do separate forms, but I just want to see if this thing actually functions when I do it like this. Then we'll worry about doing it the correct way. On submit. And no submit substitute. Button type submit. Nope, that still does not work. So that changes absolutely nothing. What the fuck? How does that change nothing? Excusez-moi. Yeah, so that's the form is there, which means that's working. Why does that not work? Why? Why, oh, why? This should work. This literally worked for me in the damn past. So I don't understand how it's now saying that this suddenly doesn't work. It's not changing this, which is what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to change the URL, but it's just not. It is just not doing that. What's the whole point of this? If the one thing you've made something for doesn't fucking work. Like, come on. The whole point of navigate is to navigate to another URL, not a path. And it doesn't. What in the actual hell are you talking about? Wait. The whole point of you is that you navigate. That's the entire purpose you have. And fucking right now you're telling me that you're not navigating. I don't even know what the fuck to say to that. What I can think of is now to use. Yeah. You need to go on vacation, don't you? Okay, well, we'll try. We'll try that. We'll try that instead. Sure. Let's do use. We'll make that a constant up here. And navigate small element is use navigate. I don't really know how this navigate works. I'm assuming I can't just navigate. But never read. How would I use this value? I don't. Oh god, I'm gonna have to search this up again. This one's down now too, and I'm assuming that yeah, the entire thing is down. I know this, and it still doesn't work. Right. Import that. Then we have, and then what we do is navigate. Okay, just do that. That's it. Sure, that is a lot easier. Oh, sorry. Oh, there we go. Right. Now, let's see if it actually changes the thing. It does. Okay. Progress. I just need to do this for semester 3 and 4. And I'll put all of the forms in the correct places. Is below this header. And then above this header we do a alright. And then it's time to check if it works on the thing. And then it bloody better. If then it doesn't work, I don't know what to do. Right, now we gotta change all these hrefs to buttons. We'll literally just grab that one and change all the hrefs to that. Alright. Now we're gonna go to Becca Johnson. Move that one. My little beautiful notepad. Grab this one. That one in. Grab this one. Put that one in. Alright. Alright. Say Control C. We say yes. We do that. Right, in a few minutes we'll redeploy it back to the GitHub pages, and once it's there, you can check if the redirects now work. Because if they still then don't work, I'm going to have to figure out why GitHub pages doesn't see certain pages. Because then it feels more like a GitHub pages issue than an actual issue that I could fix. And I hope that is not the case. Because if that is the case, then I'm going to be, well, pretty much a loss for words. I don't know how to fix that. Like, generally, I would have no idea how to start fixing that. Listen, music. Right. Publish. Nice thing, it doesn't immediately always get published. I'll have to go to, I think it's this one. Yes, this one. Let's actually see if this one is running by just refreshing it. Okay, it does. It is there. The projects. Oh, the buttons are there. Okay, click the. Yes. Okay. We fixed it. Oh God. Fucking. Okay, so explain to me. Why does this one work? This one now works. Except you don't work. And you don't work. I have no words for this. I have no words for this. I just don't have words for this. How did it... How did... no, I see. No. No, okay, no, I see. No, you see, I see the issue. No, okay, this was a purely on me issue. that was a purely me issue. That should fix it. Redirects work now. Now it's time to focus on, once this is done, focus on CSS fixing, making buttons look nice, making the navbar look a bit better, making some spelling errors go away, and then the website is done. It won't look the best because I'm not that good with designing websites. I'm not. It's just, I don't know what else to tell you. I'd love to be, but I know for a fact I'm not. This is localhost. Where's the other one? Is that's also localhost. Where's the other one? There it is. Okay. Now is it going to... Okay. Yeah, okay. For the moment it's down. It'll be back. Oh, there it is. It'll be back in a sec. Always takes a second to load back up. Right, so let's see. Semester 3. It works. And it works. And does that work? Yes. Hello, Neil. How you doing? Okay, it doesn't load the quickest. I'm good, thank you. How are you? I'm doing fine. You wouldn't say that, but I mean, doing this. I'm doing really well. I'm doing really well. We managed to make this dungeon crawler for your own game. It took a bit. I made this map generation you see here. You won't be able to see it because it's not a video, sadly. And we couldn't get the WebGL. We couldn't get the WebGL working. At least the WebGL version of the game working because of. Yeah, we don't know. We legit just don't know. It just wouldn't fucking run. It just as soon as you got to this comment area, these would spawn, and the game would be dead. Hey Raiden, hello. Thank you for the follow. How are you doing today? Or night for me. But yeah, no, I'm fine. What's this portfolio? This is going to be this is gonna be in development for a long time because I suck at websites. But yes, this is supposed to be a portfolio-ish website. Can you check my JS library, please? I don't. Oh God, Netafly. I just came from that site. It's horrible. I couldn't get it to work. I don't know what you want me to look at. I'm not the best with JS at all. I'll try. But I don't know what you would like me to look at. Oh wow, this looks amazing. Jesus. Yeah, I'll show it on stream. This looks amazing, but jeez. Oh my God, you're much more better than me. Oh. I've worked on a portfolio. Nice. Anyway, how is this semester going? I know you said at the beginning you found it interesting but not very fun. Has it gotten any more fun? I've been meaning to text, but I just keep forgetting because I keep being too busy with game development. It's better to be honest. Oh, that's good. I'm glad. I mean, I'm very glad. I don't want you. Ooh. Do I? You're gonna make me jealous, huh? You just had to make me jealous, huh? You just had to, huh? You just had to, huh? Oh my God. I'll show it on stream. Do you want me to show it on stream? It doesn't say your entire name, so you okay with showing it on stream? Go for it. All right, all right, all right, all right. So, we're gonna quickly reload the page. Just to show the fact that this man has animations on his website as well. Like, you don't even. I don't even know how you. I don't even know how. I legit don't even know how. It's still a bit in progress. I get that, but do I need to say more? Do I need to do like? No, it was just a flex limb. Wow. Like the best I've done is this in React. This is. I need to change this picture, but getting the carousel to work, that's as far as I've gotten with being better at making websites for React. Because yes, this is still with React. I didn't use React because can't be bothered, to be honest. Fair. I just liked working with React more than just HTML and CSS. So I just went to use React instead. It's just that simple. I just remembered a lot more from using React than I did from pure HTML CSS. As you can see by the fact that there's barely any CSS going on here. Oh, that's good, that's good. Well, here's the thing. I was debating making this site at all. Because we have... Don't know if I can actually log in here. On this browser. Okay, I am. Okay, good. Because we have... this beautiful thing. Which is a portfolio, which has all of your, well, at the moment, mostly devlogs about your game. And a lot of products about your game, like, for instance, the map generation. I have this. I could have used this. Did you told me that I could use this as well. This is all random generation, by the way. That was the end of the room, and you just go at the moment. On Dash, I don't care. I do not matter that much. But yeah. That's basically what I'm also allowed to use. But then you have me being like, nah, I want to make a website because it's more accessible for other people to then go here. Stop being angry at me. Yeah, it does not want to run. Okay, this one works at least. So I'm using this at the moment. But can you tell I'm still not good with CSS or HTML? Can you tell? Can you tell I hate doing this? Yup. Thanks, Gabby. Thanks for the backup. Yeah, no, I suck at making websites. To be fair, this was made from 2 to 5 today. To be fair, it was only 3 hours. Like, to be fair. It's gonna be in here. Oh, I made mine in 1 hour, so I don't know what you're talking about. I completely see that happening. No progress in skill. Well, to be fair, I could never get this much done in 3 hours before. With all the redirects, so... To be fair, I have made some progress. But I've mostly neglected making websites, because I hate making websites. especially the designing part. Not so much the actual coding part. The designing part, though, I hate with a burning passion. Right now, two very important things. Spelling, I have to go over. I need to change this a bit. Because it's just boring. I'm gonna see if I can find some good pictures to go around these. And go around these. I'm not gonna go to this page on stream because that will be an actual doxing. So, but yeah. What was it that about GitLab? In the carousel? Oh, yeah. I have this is my GitLab profile, but for Unity, we're using GitHub because GitLab kind of stinks. So I'm currently using GitHub, but I have not made any pictures on my GitHub yet because there's not much of progress on my GitHub. Oh, but it's not a link to Git. I'm hoping. No, it's no. It's not a link to. No. It's just a picture of my GitLab. It's just a very simple picture of showing the activity I had on my GitLab. You think I'm gonna link to my fucking GitLab? Like, there's not much activity here, so there's not much to show here. Because we've only been using GitLab since the beginning of this semester. So there's not much on here to actually show off in a meaningful way. While there is some stuff to show on this picture here with the activity, all of the things here. So I just use that picture. And I need to change this picture to be a little bit less stretched to the point of insanity. Now I tried to do that before, but it wouldn't fucking let me do much in the way of actually changing it. It was kind of angry at me every time I try to change it. So we're gonna see if it does it now as well. But first things first, we gotta change some spelling mistakes. There's probably some spelling mistakes in here that I would not be completely scoffed at because I know for a fact there's a spelling mistake. Oh, that's one. Right, that's fixed. This should be gone. Save that. Slight mistake one gone. See if we can find more, because dear God. Actually, there shouldn't be that many in here. There should be more in here. These are empty. Actually, delete them later. I'm gonna go now. Alright. See you later. Also, if you ever want to do any games, just hit me up. I'm playing League now a lot. Please help. You. Hey, we played it once together as well. Don't you dare say you. I'm a support main. I don't know if that makes it better or worse. To be more exact, naughty and trash. Worse. How does that make it worse? Okay. Okay, well, now you know. Well, have a good night. I hope you have a good rest of your weekend. I will be texting you if I don't forget again, because I'm so fucking bad at remembering when to text people. Somewhere either next week or the week after that, seeing how you're doing again. By now, just message me and just if you need anything. I will do that if I don't forget. See ya. Right, so. Finding stuff. Important. Right, so I don't see anything much of an issue there. So now the most important thing is going to be CSS, which is the bit I hate the most. Speaking of, Gabby, have you made any sort of progress on your portfolio? Kind of quickly see how my peers are doing and making websites beside Nils, because Nils is a god. I don't know if that depends if anyone else is making a website for it. I did a document, not a website, but I'll probably should do a website too. Yeah, it is, I think, better to do a website since it's one easier to share. And especially if you keep it on the github.io, like the GitHub hosting for a website, which I believe it's only one you can do for free. It's very easy to deploy and maintain. Because you don't need a database for it or anything like that. You can just plump it on there. Well, can I just plump it on there? Oh, I did not mean to open my bot. Like, it's absolutely not mandatory to do it, but it is quite nice. Depending how your skills are, of course, with the whole not wanting to do CSS like me or anything like that. In which case, maybe don't. Because this is hell. I honestly feel like this is absolute hell. I mean, I think I'm good at HTML CSS, so why not? Fair. Because if you are, then fair. But if you're like me, then please no. I hate. Wait, it isn't a flex. Wait, if they're in a flex, why aren't they? Why aren't they? What did the? Okay, hold up. Someone gave me a tip for this. I'm gonna quickly see what he said. Did you see space between? Or did he say something else? Space around. He said. Okay, space around instead of space. Space between. Space around. Now, you won't be able to see it here. I'll need to actually go to another. Oh, it is still. Okay, it's still live somewhere. It's not that one. That's that one. So I need to go to find the local host. This is the wrong local host. This is the whole local host I need. Okay. Never mind. It is live, so I don't. Okay, so it's that not the right one. If that's not the right, which is the goddamn right one? Oh, this one. Okay. So now what that did is it puts it in the middle. Okay, that's nice. I need to delete this margin though. Never mind. Get back. There's something that's making them not be in the middle. I'm trying to figure out what it is. To be fair, not that important right now. I should find something I can use as the background for a button and for these. Let's see if we can find anything. Button. I want to find like a small image. That is good to use for this. This is that. There we go. That's better. Oh, there you go. Are they so lively? I just want not a dull one, but not one like this either. They're so fucking bright. We need to find one that I need to find one that like fits. That's my own site. That is that one. We don't need that one. We need to find one that fits this. Yeah, I had to open full screen, huh? We need to find buttons that fit this. Which I don't know how well that's gonna work. No, buttons that fit that. That would kind of. At the same time, not really. Oh, my jaw is stuck. Oh no. So painful. Actually, that one of those might work. I think that one might work. So we're just gonna grab all of these. Can I go here? Oh, there's onto buttons I wanted. Oh, Groody. Look at that error. I want this one. Download them. No ad for you. Oh, what is this bloody bullshit? Oh, we have them. Alright. Now we need a way to cut these open. Edit image. Oh no, oh no, oh god. I realize none of you are seeing this, but give me a second. Let me grab the... Keep forgetting. There we go. Now you guys are seeing this. This is the button we're going to be using. Now the problem is we're going to need to How do I get rid of that? I know how. I know how. Save a copy. Hide the fucking videos of all places. Now we're gonna open this in Paint. I will just scrub that away. Can I open this in Paint? Okay, let me go to my downloads. Open with Paint. Right, here we go. Just, oh, actually there's a gradient. Oh, I hate. Okay, let me go back to this PNG then. Is there a button that isn't named? Well, there's this. Why does this button have to have names? Why you have to bully me? Why? Well, there's no point in that. It would take too much effort. Too much effort. Not willing to give effort. Just legit not willing to give that effort. To restructure an entire button. Can you just give me a blank button? Okay, you know what? What canvas? Why are you gonna create one in Canva? I completely forgot. I'm showing my email. Yeah, that wasn't smart. Oh, is there gonna be an entire website on this? We don't want that actually. No. No, those are entire websites. I don't want to create entire websites. I could have made my entire website design on that, I just realized. No, I couldn't actually, because then you're gonna get a problem of... If you're doing that, then you get the problem of very quickly getting the issue of not being able to expand it a lot. Well, now you don't get that issue. Right, because now you can just keep it with CSS and such. To be fair, you should, if you know what the exact website would look like, you're not expanding it in any way, shape, or form, yeah, you should absolutely use fucking something like this to create the website. Last time I used this was during fucking... Wow, that. Okay, I was not expecting that. That was actually the last time I used it. I'm actually surprised. Text, obviously. Won't let me move. Oh, there we go. Now we can move it. Now I need one of these. What we do is we smallify that. And we didn't... Oh, I can't do that. I need one that's actually like... I need an empty version of that. But I don't know why that one is in here. Because you have the... You have these. And... Can't invert them. Which is really annoying. We just use this, I suppose. Now we just do that. Alright. Now we just change some colors. Can we still do that? Yeah, we can. Only I could like delete some bits. Oh, I can just make this smaller, can't I? Right, now grab this, put that there. How interesting that is. Right. So I think now we should be able to... Button. Right, once this is downloaded, I'm going to search. Just going to go here. And we just do that. And now we have no background on it anymore. As you can see right here. Right, so we're going to use this. as the button for the stuff. Hopefully it works out. Alright, let me grab that. Pictures. That. Yes, it's transparent. Okay, great. Actually, can I quickly go to here? Alright, added it. Added. Make this as small as possible. Copy. Transparent button. Alright. Now we remove that one. And now remove this button in here. Look how small that is now. Yes. Okay. After that, we go to, first of all, index.js. No, that's CSS. And that's the URL we need to follow. So let's go to my navbar. Do this. And then for every list item, do back around. Oh, wait, hold up. Around image rel. There we go. Oh. Pictures. Button. Alright, let's see if this now has that. This one? Yes. Okay. Okay, that is a no. Let's see now. No. Why isn't it working? Erg. I want to send the image. I want to inspect element. Okay. Let's go to. I want to go to the navbar. Navbar. List item. Oh, it's not there? Oh, it's not. It's the wrong one. I see. Wait, this is the right one. Isn't it? What is this one? Also that one. I guess I'll just close that one because apparently that one doesn't have any significance. Yeah, there it is. You can't find it? Why can't you find it? What? Module not found. Can't resolve pictures, transparent background in. Oh, right, because I didn't put it in. Yeah. Oh, you can though. Right. It's a bit. It's a bit too big or too small. I mean, okay. Well, that is a problem. Min with none. No, not none. Let's do 12 VH. Not nearly enough. 20 VH. Okay, now I need to do minimal height. TVH. Oh no, that's just repeating. Okay, let's do 10. That is 100. Okay, well, it's not really going. Oh, how do I make the picture do something again? W3. I remember how I make the picture do something. Let's see. Background images. Well, yep, I have that. What I'm more mean is how do I make the picture do something? Arrgh. How do I make the picture not do stuff like stick to it? Image. First of all, that so it doesn't repeat. Alright, and now size auto. I didn't change anything. Okay, great. Background position. Don't need to change the position. Click back. Ground. Says already have. Damn it. Is it just way too big for it? Like, it was a way to make it scale, right? There was a way to make this scale. I know that. And now it's just disappeared. Oh, this is the wrong one again, isn't it? Oh, this is the right one, isn't it? I don't know. Is this the right one or the wrong one? I can't tell. Let's remove all of this, see if it comes back, because if it comes back, then it's the right one. It does. Then why the hell is there a footer again? How does this footer keep coming back? Where's the footer now? Where did you come from? Go away. Just keeps coming back. There is no footer. Where is this footer? Where are you footing from? You don't exist anymore. I can test it's doing its size smaller than it's supposed to be. Let's see. Image. Size. Contain. Okay, now we do no repeat. No repeat. And now we can make it smaller. No, that's 50, not 5. There you go. Alright, now I can make this also back to 10. Hey! There we go. Right. Now we do the same thing for projects. Wait, what? Where are the buttons? Wait, what? Don't tell me I closed the wrong one. Of course I did. Please tell me you still have them. On submit. Okay, it still has on submit semester 3. And then the button. Okay, yeah, so this is the correct one. This is the false one. All of this is was for nothing. I'll save all of it anyway, just in case, but this is what happens when you have two repositories with the same contents. It's what you don't want to have. Just take that, put that into use. This one will say now that it's not working. This one will now say PM start. Should now say that it's launching. And this one can close. Don't need that one. I need this one. This one has the buttons. Because without this, we don't have a way of changing stuff. And without changing stuff, kind of fuck. Please start up. Okay, there we go. Alright, now that we can see that the same way, I'm just quickly gonna do this, make sure that I have that. Now, those buttons are gonna have the same background, so I don't need necessarily, I just need to take this, honestly. And we just go to projects.css. Right, I need to change my buttons a bit. They are just too bad. I liked them a little in the beginning, and then I started to hate them. Genuinely. Let me just quickly do that, and then in pictures, we simply place that in, replace, and now look like that, which means in the upside look like that. I don't know why it just suddenly got pushed to the top though. I'll have to fix that a bit. There you go, that's better. Right, now I still need to change those, which we'll be using that for. Just gonna yoink that. And now we go to, I think it's project, and then we have to go to every button. So we can just actually, I think we can just do U button. I think that should be fine. I think. Let's do. Let's test it out, see if it does that. Main dev project button. Why not? Oh, okay, what's happening here? We can't find it. Oh, right, because it's actually in the correct folder, so it should be that. That's interesting. Okay, let's do the not no repeat. It's actually too small. Okay, can I do stretch instead? Yes, I can. Okay, now make the color. Use my favorite color I found so far, that blue. I need something a little lighter. I need something a little lighter, so let's use aquamarine, maybe? Yes, aquamarine looks a lot better. Right. I think the fact that it's now works. We're done for today. Still, I need to change that actually. But after that, we can launch this once again, and then we're done for today. I mean, it was going to be a short stream anyway, because I'm already working on the site. It was actually not my plan, but I just got fixated on it extremely hard and just worked on instead of doing my actual schoolwork because I couldn't focus on anything else but this. Hyperfixation. It's great. That's better. Because now it actually... Yeah, there you go. Alright. I feel like that should be white, actually. Or like the same color as the other one. Aquamarine. That's better. Right. It's better than with the purple, I'm not gonna lie. I compare that look, because that's how the actual website looked, by the way, to this. I think this looks better. I think I have improved without working on any sort of fucking thing at all. I do think I have improved. I was not meant to do that. God fucking... This is why I don't go to that page. Oh my god. No one look at that, please. Yes. This is actually done for today. You can now push this to get, and I can now push this to there. And the website is live. Feels good. Feels really good. is the website done? Oh, I actually wasn't by luck quicker than I thought. Alright, let's see the final result on the actual brand live website, shall we? Now, the actual naming of the thing. Oh, wait, that is actually what I wanted to go. That's where I wanted to go. That's finished. I did it. I did it again. I did it again. That's working. That's working. That's working. Great. It works. That's still an issue. Damn it. How do I get rid of that? Because I have the list decoration. Ah. List. Okay, hold up. I think I found the issue. Maybe we should delete the whole list. Style. None. I delete it? No. Okay, let's do C, B, B. See if that works. Delete it. Right, no, I can't check that in here actually. What a break. I can't check that in here. I have to check that in. I honestly don't know why it's now broken some of the time, but I think that's just I think that's more of a React issue than a me issue. Let me restart this. We have still one thing to fix, which is the list decoration. Let's see. Let's see. Nope, still there. Fucking. Why won't the list decoration go away? I have list all none. I have to do it like this. Like in here. That's semester 3, let's see. Go on for semester. Found it! Okay. I was just being an idiot. I thought I could do it where it was just... But I have to specify that the list is doing that instead of the entire thing. I thought I could do the entire thing, no, that's what I need to keep. I think there's one down here that's not supposed to be there. Yeah, you. And then up here, you. Right. Now we don't have that decoration on the left side. Now it's the final push. Right. After this, the build should be done. And we'll be done for today. Page not found. I'm gonna have to wait until it actually becomes... Actually, what I should do is go to GitHub and change some of the stuff to where you can change the name and other stuff from it. I think it's this one. Yes. Not a good sign. There it is. I forgot to do the picture. Fuck. I forgot to do the picture. You know what? Fuck it. Picture stays stretched. I don't care. Don't care enough. Not for today anyway. Okay, I need to quickly find out how to do the whole changing the thingy-majig of it. And then I'll figure out how to do that. I thought I had a thing open for that. I thought I had a beautiful thing for it. Did I lose it in the process of doing all of this? I wouldn't be surprised if I did. Okay, let me go learn more about... No, that's just the branch. I don't need to learn more about branches. I have to learn more about that. It is. Alright, about that. Okay. I think I found it. Means I need to go find... I need to find one where it's... GitHub pages... Yeah. Then we have that one, and then that has a tutorial for how to do the whole changing the description and title for it. I need to figure out how to change the whole thingy-majig about it. Oh, it should have had a thing for it. And had a thing for it. I was sure of it. It doesn't have a thing for it. Urgh. Oh god, I'm trying to find the goddamn thing of how to change the description and such for it. I know it's with a Yami file, but I can't find how to do it. Because, believe it or not, this is the first time doing it. Is it in here? No, it's a quick squad. Isn't it the quick squad? Oh, it wasn't this one. It wasn't this one, okay. Well, let's see. Changing your title and description. By default, the site is that. You can change that by adding the data file in your repository. Yeah, about that. This branch won't have that. Does you have this? Static. Media. No, you don't. JavaScript. No, you don't. Jesus. No, you don't. Okay. There is no Yami file unless it's this. No. And that. Short name, React tab. Okay, I found it. Can I edit this? Thank you. Edit this, yes. Actually, I'm once it is on stream, so I can actually write stuff down. Yeah, I've flashed already quite extensive information on the screen, so I don't know how much that's going to help. There's a lot of things I should not have done that I did do. Right. Now, I need to quickly change some of the icons. The problem is I don't really have an icon for it in place. I don't really know what to use for it. Because it's the small icon you see for it. And I don't really have an icon for it to use at the moment, so I might just leave it for now. Just changing the name is good enough at the moment for me. Because the logo is just that and the favicon is absolutely nothing. Got it. Right, if I now were to share it. We'll quickly see if I were to now to share this page again. And now were to share this again. Just share it to myself so I don't bother anyone. What's that said? No, that still says that. Between two things, I need to republish it again. But actually make changes. Okay. I'll do that at some point anyway, because I need to do that anyway. But that'll be it for tonight. I'll be back probably on Sunday. I'll be back on Sunday, and I'll be trying once again to do a flawless dungeon run on Destiny 2. And I will bid you all farewell. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoy me making a website. I'll probably be streaming something like this a lot more often. Especially with the coming weeks that I'm going to be having. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. and I'll see you all soon. Bye.